If you've ever wanted to boost your team's productivity and visualize project progress more clearly, applying Kanban in Jira is a game changer. Today, I'll show you how to set up a powerful Kanban board in Jira, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to configure your board, implement work-in-progress limits, create and manage tasks, and monitor your workflow. Everything you need to get your team's work flowing smoothly and efficiently. All right, let's dive straight in. First, you'll need to set up a Kanban project or board. If you're starting fresh, creating a new project with the Kanban template is the simplest path. Just jump into Jira, click to create a project, and choose the Kanban template. Jira will automatically configure your workflows and board columns for continuous flow. If you've got an existing project and want to overlay Kanban on top, that's easy too. Head to the boards drop-down in the top navigation bar, select to view all boards, and hit Create Board. Pick Create a Kanban board, then link it up to your project. This flexibility means you can either start from scratch or adapt Kanban to whatever you're already working on. Once your board is up, it's time to configure your columns. Think of columns as the stages your tasks move through, like rungs on a ladder. Click the three dots in the top right of your board. Choose Board Settings, sometimes labeled Configure Board, then open the Columns tab. Here's where you can rename the default columns. Most often they're To Do, In Progress, and Done, or add new ones that fit your team's unique workflow. For example, maybe you add Review or Testing to capture key steps between starting and finishing work. Take a moment to map these columns to your actual process. It's like plotting a road your tasks will travel along, so make sure each stage is meaningful for your team. Next up is implementing WIP limits, and this is where Kanban really shines. WIP stands for Work in Progress, and setting limits helps prevent your team from taking on too much at once. Overdoing it leads to bottlenecks and delays, so in the Columns tab, find the column constraint field for each column. Enter a number, say 4 for In Progress, to cap how many issues can be active at that stage. If you go over, Jira highlights the column in yellow or red to alert you, just like a warning light on your dashboard. Don't worry if you're not sure what number to choose at first. Start with a guess and adjust as you learn what works for your team. With your board structure set, you're ready to create and manage issues. These are your tasks, stories, or bugs. Jira makes it pretty intuitive. Hit the +Create button in the top navigation bar, or use the Inline Creation feature at the bottom of your To-Do column to quickly add tasks. Organizing work is easy too. Simply drag and drop issues to prioritize within the To-Do or Backlog column, so the most important work is always at the top. Think of it as stacking your to-do list, with the most urgent jobs ready to grab first. Now you're ready to start working with the board. Kanban is all about continuous flow. Here's an important mindset shift. Instead of tasks being assigned, team members pull the next highest priority item when they're free to start something new. This keeps everyone moving at the right pace and helps avoid overload. As work progresses, drag your issue cards from one column to the next to show progress. It's a bit like moving pieces across a chessboard, except you're organizing real-world work as it happens. Finally, it's crucial to monitor and optimize your workflow, and Jira offers great reports for this. The control chart lets you see how long tasks are spending in each stage, pretty handy for spotting inefficiencies. The cumulative flow diagram, or CFD, shows the number of issues in each status over time. If you see a colored band widening in the CFD, that could mean a bottleneck where tasks are piling up. These visual tools help you identify and resolve slowdowns, so your team keeps moving forward. And there you have it. You've set up Kanban in Jira and learned to manage every stage of your team's workflow. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need advice for your own setup. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical guides and tips to supercharge your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.